Have you ever walked into a coffee shop and felt nervous about ordering in English?
Maybe you knew what you wanted, but the words just wouldn't come out.
Today, you'll learn exactly what to say to order coffee like a native speaker.
We'll teach you the most common phrases, how to customize your drink, and how to sound confident and natural.
By the end of this episode, you'll be ready to order your favorite coffee without any fear or confusion.
Let's make your next coffee shop visit easy and enjoyable.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily Speaking English Podcast, where we make learning English simple and fun. I'm Lena.
And I'm Ben. Hey, Lena, how are you doing today?
Hi, Ben. I'm feeling wonderful. Thanks for asking. I'm excited about today's topic. How about you?
I'm great, thank you. I had my morning coffee, so I'm ready to go.
Perfect. And speaking of coffee, that's exactly what we're talking about today.
Before we start, everyone, please hit that subscribe button on Daily Speaking English Podcast. It really helps us bring you more great content.
Yes, and don't forget to like this episode and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
Your support means everything to us. All right, Lena, shall we begin?
Absolutely. Let's dive in.
So, Lena, let me ask our listeners something. Have you ever walked into a coffee shop, standing in line, watching other people order so easily?
And then, when it's your turn, you feel your heart beating faster.
You know what you want to say, but suddenly your mind goes blank.
Or maybe you say something, but you're not sure if it was correct.
This happens to so many English learners, and it's completely normal.
The good news is, ordering coffee doesn't have to be stressful or difficult.
That's right. With just a few simple phrases, you can order anything you want with confidence.
And today, we're going to teach you everything you need to know about real English at the coffee shop.
So let's start from the very beginning. You walk into the coffee shop. What happens first?
Usually, someone greets you right away. They might say, "Hello, what can I get for you today?"
Or they might say, "Hi there, are you ready to order?"
These are very common greetings in coffee shops.
So, how should you respond, Lena?
Keep it simple. Just say, "Hello," or "Hi," back to them.
And then you can say, "Yes, please," if you're ready to order.
Or if you need a moment, you can say, "Just a moment, please."
That's perfectly fine. Nobody will be upset if you need time to think.
Exactly. Now, let's practice a simple order. Then, pretend you're the worker at the coffee shop.
Okay, I'm ready. Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. I'd like a coffee, please.
Perfect. That was simple and polite.
The key phrase here is "I'd like." This is a polite way to order.
Yes, "I'd like" is much better than saying "I want."
"I want" sounds too direct and not very polite in English.
So always use "I'd like" or "Can I have" when ordering.
Now, of course, there are many types of coffee. You need to be more specific.
Right, you can add size words like small, medium, or large.
For example, "I'd like a small coffee, please."
Or, "Can I have a large coffee?"
You can also say regular instead of medium. All of these work well.
And what about the different kinds of coffee drinks, Lena?
Oh, there are so many options. Let me list some popular ones.
You have latte, which is coffee with a lot of milk.
There's cappuccino, which has milk foam on top.
Many people love espresso, which is very strong coffee in a small cup.
And there's also Americano, which is espresso with hot water added.
Don't forget about mocha, which is coffee with chocolate.
So many delicious choices.
And here's another important thing. Do you want your drink hot or cold?
Yes, this is very important, especially in summer. If you want it cold, you say iced. For example, "I'd like an iced latte."
The word iced means cold with ice in it.
And if you want it hot, you can say hot, but usually you don't need to say this.
Right, because hot is the normal way. They will give you hot coffee unless you say iced.
Good point. Now, let's practice a more complete order. Then, you're the worker.
All right. Hello, welcome to our coffee shop. What would you like today?
Hi, I'd like a medium iced latte, please.
Great choice. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Perfect. You included the size, the temperature, and the type of drink.
Thanks. It's easier when you break it down into parts.
Exactly. Size, temperature, and type. Remember these three things.
Now, what if you want something to eat with your coffee?
Most coffee shops have food items like muffins, cookies, and croissants.
You can simply add to your order by saying, "And can I also have a muffin?"
Or, do you have any cookies? This is a nice way to ask if they have something.
You can also say, "I'll take a croissant, please."
Let's practice this together. I'll be the customer and you're the worker, Lena.
Perfect. Hi there. What can I get for you?
Hello, I'd like a large hot coffee, please, and a chocolate chip cookie.
Wonderful. 1 large hot coffee and 1 chocolate chip cookie. Your total is $6.
Great. Can I pay with my card?
Of course, you can tap it right here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
That was smooth, wasn't it?
Yes, and notice Ben asked about payment. That's the next important step.
When they tell you the price, they might say, that will be $5, or your total is $7.50.
And then you need to pay. You can say, "Can I pay by card?" or "I'll pay with cash."
Sometimes they ask you directly, cash or card.
Then you just answer, "Card, please," or "Cash, please."
Very simple.
Now, here's something else people often need to ask about. Where is the restroom?
Yes, this is important. You can say, excuse me, where is the restroom?
Or you can say, "Where are the bathrooms?"
Both restroom and bathroom are common words in English for this.
Another common question is about internet. You might ask, "Do you have Wi-Fi here?"
Or, is there free Wi-Fi?
And if they say yes, you can ask, "What's the Wi-Fi password?"
This is very useful because many people go to coffee shops to work or study.
That's true. Coffee shops are great places to use your laptop. Now, what about sitting down? Do you need permission to sit?
Usually no. You just find an empty table and sit down.
But if the place is very busy, you might ask, "Are there any tables available?"
This is polite and they'll tell you if there's space.
Here's another important phrase. The worker might ask, "For here or to go?"
This means, do you want to drink it in the coffee shop or take it with you?
If you want to stay and drink it there, say, "For here, please." If you want to take it with you, say, "To go, please." Let's practice this. You ask me the question.
Sure. Hi, I have your coffee ready. For here or to go?
To go, please. Great. Here you are. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much.
See? Just 2 small words make a big difference.
Now let's talk about customizing your drink. What if you want it made differently?
Good question. Many people have special preferences.
You might want extra milk or less sugar or no sugar at all.
You can say, "Can I have extra milk, please?"
Or, could I have my coffee with no sugar?
The word extra means more, and no means none at all.
What if you want sugar or milk on the side?
That means you want it separate so you can add it yourself.
You say, can I have some sugar on the side, please?
Or, "Could I get milk on the side?" This gives you control over how sweet or creamy your coffee is. Some people really care about this. Now, here's something modern. What about different types of milk?
Oh yes, many coffee shops now offer alternatives to regular milk.
You can choose almond milk, oat milk, soy milk, or coconut milk. These are great for people who can't drink regular milk or who prefer other options.
How do you ask for this, Lena?
You say, "Can I have my latte with almond milk, please?"
Or, do you have oat milk?
The worker will tell you yes or no, and they might mention if it costs extra money.
Sometimes alternative milks have a small additional charge.
That's okay. Just be prepared for the price to be a little higher.
Let's do a practice order with special milk. You're the worker, Lena.
Okay. Good afternoon. What would you like today?
Hi, can I have a medium cappuccino with soy milk, please?
Of course. 1 medium cappuccino with soy milk. Just so you know, soy milk is 50 cents extra. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine. Thank you.
Perfect. Your total is $5.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, just tap here. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Excellent order, Ben.
Thanks. You see how easy it becomes when you know the phrases?
Absolutely. And remember, it's okay to ask questions if you don't understand something.
Yes. You can say, "Could you please repeat that?"
Or, can you speak a little slower, please?
The workers at coffee shops are usually very friendly and understanding.
They know that many people are learning English, so don't feel embarrassed. Everyone appreciates when you try your best.
Now, what if you don't know what to order? What if you want to try something new?
Great question. You can ask the worker for help. Say, "What do you recommend?" Or, "What's popular here?"
This is a friendly way to start a conversation and discover new drinks.
Many coffee shops have special seasonal drinks too.
You can ask, "Do you have any seasonal drinks?"
Seasonal means they change with the different times of year.
For example, in autumn, many places have pumpkin spice lattes.
In winter, they might have peppermint mochas.
These special drinks are fun to try.
And asking about them shows you're interested and engaged.
It's not just about ordering quickly, it's also about enjoying the experience.
Exactly. Coffee shops are social places where people talk and connect.
Even a small conversation with the worker can help you practice English.
Every interaction is a learning opportunity.
Now, let's talk about common mistakes people make when ordering.
Yes, this is helpful so you can avoid them.
One big mistake is forgetting to say please and thank you.
If you just say, "I want a coffee," it sounds too direct and not polite.
Always say, "I'd like a coffee, please," or "Can I have a coffee, please?"
These phrases are much more polite and natural.
Another mistake is speaking too quietly.
Coffee shops can be noisy, so speak clearly and loud enough.
Don't shout, but don't whisper either. Use a normal speaking voice.
If the worker can't hear you, they'll ask you to repeat, and that's okay. Just say it again, maybe a little louder.
Some people also get confused between for here and to go.
Remember, for here means you stay in the coffee shop.
And to go means you take it with you when you leave.
Try not to just point. Use the words so you can practice speaking.
Speaking the words helps your brain remember them better.
That's true. Practice makes perfect.
Another thing people forget is to listen carefully to what the worker says.
They might ask unexpected questions like, "Would you like whipped cream on top?"
Or, "Are you part of our rewards program?"
A rewards program is like a special card where you collect points. When you collect enough points, you can get a free drink.
If they ask about this, you can say yes please if you're interested.
Or no thank you if you're not.
Both answers are perfectly fine. It's your choice. Now, let's do one final practice. This time, make it more challenging.
Okay, you want to order a large iced mocha with oat milk, extra chocolate, and a blueberry muffin.
Wow, that's detailed. All right, I'm ready.
Welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a large iced mocha with oat milk, please.
Sure. Would you like whipped cream on that?
Yes, please. And can I have extra chocolate?
Of course. Anything else?
Yes, do you have blueberry muffins?
We do. Would you like one?
Yes, please.
Great. So that's one large iced mocha with oat milk, whipped cream, and extra chocolate, plus one blueberry muffin. Your total is $10.25.
Perfect. Can I pay with my phone?
Yes, just tap it here, please.
Done. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your drink and muffin.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too.
That was a complete order with everything.
Yes, and you handled all the extra questions perfectly.
The key is to listen carefully and respond to what they ask.
Don't panic if they ask something unexpected. Just answer honestly.
If you don't understand, it's okay to ask them to repeat.
Remember, communication is about understanding each other, not being perfect.
Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers.
The important thing is to keep trying and practicing.
Every time you order in English, you get a little better.
And soon it will feel completely natural and easy.
You won't even think about the phrases anymore. They'll just come out automatically.
That's the goal. Automatic, confident English.
So, let's review everything we talked about today.
Great idea. Let's review what we learned about ordering at coffee shops.
First, we talked about greetings and how to start your order politely.
When the worker says, "What can I get for you?" you respond with hello or hi, and then say, "I'd like" or "Can I have," followed by your order.
We learned that "I'd like" is more polite than "I want." Always use polite phrases when ordering.
Second, we covered the different parts of an order.
You need to think about 3 things: size, temperature, and type of drink.
Size means small, medium, or large. Temperature means hot or iced, and type means latte, cappuccino, americano, and so on.
We also learned about customizing your drink with different types of milk, like almond milk, oat milk, or soy milk.
You can ask for extra milk, no sugar, or sugar on the side. This helps you get exactly what you want.
Third, we practiced asking important questions at coffee shops.
Questions like, "Where is the restroom?" or "Do you have Wi-Fi?" and "What's the Wi-Fi password?"
We also learned about for here or to go, which is a very common question you'll hear.
Remember, for here means you stay in the shop, and to go means you take it with you.
And finally, we talked about being polite and not being afraid to make mistakes.
Always say please and thank you. Speak clearly and loud enough, and if you don't understand, just ask them to repeat.
The workers at coffee shops are usually very friendly and helpful, especially when they know you're learning English.
So those are our main points for today.
Now, it's time for you to practice. Here's a challenge for all of you listening.
The next time you have a chance, go to a coffee shop and order something in English.
It doesn't have to be complicated. Start with something simple like a small coffee.
Use the phrases we taught you today. "I'd like," and "please," and "thank you."
And notice how it feels. You might be surprised at how easy it is.
If you don't have a coffee shop nearby, practice at home by yourself.
Stand in front of a mirror and pretend you're ordering. Say the phrases out loud.
This might feel silly, but it really helps. Speaking out loud builds your confidence.
And don't forget to subscribe to Daily Speaking English podcast if you haven't already.
Yes, please hit that subscribe button. It helps us create more episodes like this one.
And give us a thumbs up if you found this episode useful.
We'd love to hear from you too. Leave a comment and tell us, what's your favorite coffee drink?
Do you prefer hot coffee or iced coffee? We want to know.
Your comments help us understand what you like and what topics you want to learn about next.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today on Daily Speaking English podcast.
We hope you feel more confident about ordering coffee in English now.
Remember, every small step counts. Every time you practice, you improve.
Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn and grow.
Keep practicing, keep trying, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself.
You can do this. We believe in you.
See you in our next episode, everyone.
Until next time, keep learning and keep speaking English.
Goodbye, friends.
Bye, everyone.